Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you on how to fix a broken Cydia after updating the Cydia GUI and other stuffs on the Cydia application. Now, obviously I'm not updated, I'm not affected with this, but this is for the people who are affected on a broken Cydia after updating it through Cydia. So when I open Cydia, I'm using a AirPlay mirroring software to PC for you to see it on the screen recording. As you can see, I'm just going to wait until it refresh all the resources, which is might not take a while. So I'm going to show you there. There you go. It's reloading the data now. As you can see, you're going to see the essential upgrade, which I'm going to ignore. And when you click on changes, you will going to see this two available upgrades. So these two are the main cause for a broken Cydia, which means that Cydia is gone on the home screen, and also um, it's not opening and it's crashing, and you cannot do anything with it. So this tutorial shows you how to fix that, but of course you need a computer. So, and on the past tutorial I've used Windows, but today I'm going to use a Mac. But it's the same process between Windows and Mac. Just download CyberDuck to use terminal or SSH onto your Windows laptop or PC. You can use PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y. Again, all of the links are in the video description. So first things first, you need to open your web browser, of course. Then go to this link, which will be in the video description, github.com, Electro Jailbreak, Electro Tools, blah, 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 blah. Now, you're going to see this. Sorry about that, we can't show files that are this big right now. No biggie. Right-click onto this View Raw file, hit on Save Link As, and make sure you save it to the desktop, which is I already have, or you can and click this view raw link here to download it straight, but I prefer moving it to the desktop. So 2 is time. Now, next up, you need to go and download CyberDuck. You can download CyberDuck for Windows or CyberDuck for Mac. Of course, this is a Mac operating system. I've downloaded CyberDuck for a Mac. Uh, if you have the Windows version, you need to install it, but on the Mac version, you just need to unzip the CyberDuck zip file, and you're going to see this application, this cute little rubber duck which is the icon of CyberDuck. Now, first thing you're gonna do is make sure you're jailbroken on Electra, which is I'm on trial mode right now. This is X Mirage, but either way, you need to make sure that you are jailbroken. If it says jailbroken or share Electra, you're good to go. Now, close out of that, you need to go and open CyberDuck. Which may not take a while. There you go. It's verifying CyberDuck because I've downloaded this for this tutorial, for this video. If you saw this, click on open. That's only the admin privileges or errors. So after that, wait for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, and CyberDuck will be started. So there you go. Oh, this is the X Mirage screen. This is what I'm using for the iPad screen we're in, but this is not included. This is not important, so don't mind that. So here we go, CyberDuck. Now, click on Open Connection. You're going to see this pop up here. You need to click on the SFTP or the SSH File Transfer Protocol. If so, I'm going to reconnect again to Mirage. So I'm going to show you on how to do it. So here we go. If you see right now, to To learn or to know your server IP address, go to your iDevice, go to Settings, hit on Wi-Fi, and make sure you're going to see your SSID name, which is the check mark, which is you are connected on that local Wi-Fi network. Hit on the letter I on the right side, and you're going to see this IP, this one, if it's covered with the record button. Yeah, that if you see the IP address, the IPv4 address, this one, yeah, that's the IP address you're going to put in to CyberDuck. So I'm going to minimize that now, and type that onto the server text box here, which is in my case is 192.167.1.7. The username is always root, and the password is always alpine. All of them are in lowercase letters. So after that, hit on connect. It will open an SFTP connection. So right now, if you see an unknown fingerprint, hit on allow. As you can see, we are now login successful. Now, as you can see here, I've helped a friend which has the same problem, and this tutorial works for him. But let's just pretend this file is not included. I'm just going to delete it here. There you go. Of course, you're going to see this, and what you're going to do is drag the .dev file in here to CyberDuck, and that will transfer the file. Of course, click on allow. It will transfer that file onto your device. That's it. Now, close out of CyberDuck, quit CyberDuck, that's it. CyberDuck part is finished. Then, now, next one, go to terminal. You can type it through Spotlight, or you can go to Launchpad and find terminal there. As you can see, wait until terminal launch. Now, type in SSH, root, and at your IP address. Once again, that can be found under the settings, Wi-Fi, and the letter I icon on the right side, and the IP address column. That's there. So, which is in my case is this IP address. If you see the fingerprint thingy, click type in yes. Then the password is alpine, always alpine, root and alpine, unless you change it. So here is it. We're now connected to our iPad by SSH. So type in ls to list all of the available files on the specific directory. As you can see, we have Cydia upgrade helper, which is now on my device. Now, to install this dev file, type in dpkg-i, then copy and paste this. Make sure you don't have any space. Command C or copy. There you go. And Command V or right click and paste. There you go. dpkg-i Cydia upgrade helper. Then hit enter. Then after that, Cydia upgrade helper is now successfully installed. But if for some reason you cannot see, okay, this is working. Oh, all right. All right, we're having some trouble here. Going to stop. All right. I hope that will fix. There you go. Sorry about that technical difficulty. Now, if for some reason you cannot see the Cydia upgrade helper icon, which is the Cydia upgrade helper has no icon, by the way, go back to your terminal. Then on the terminal, type in uicache. Then wait until a few seconds or a few minutes until it refreshes it. There you go. UI cache has been successful, and as you can see on the background, it refreshed my tablet. And hold and behold, we have Cydia update helper. There you go. That's about it. Hit, and you can now exit. Type in exit on the terminal, or you can just close it. I'm just going to do the exit part and click quit terminal. There you go. Now, next up is click on Cydia update helper. Then click on update Cydia, which is I'm not going to do because I don't have any broken Cydia package, but this will work. So yeah, after that, the Cydia icon, and we'll be back, and it should working perfectly fine. So that's about it, guys. Hope you like the tutorial. Once again, comment down below if you're still having some problems doing it, and of course, don't forget to like the video, dislike if you dislike it. Comment down below if you're having some problems. Share the video. Also support me on my Patreon. Links down below in the video description. And also, why did I say also? I don't have anything to say. Anyway, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos of mine. And as always, see you again on the next video.